Today we're going to talk about some advanced docs features. The first thing I want to show you is the Google Doc template. You've got two options to get to the templates. You can go to the new menu here, pull down, go to more, and that will get you to a template. Or if you're already in a document and you want to get to your templates, you're going to go to new. You're going to go to Google Docs. And then under File, you can go to New, go to From Template. So let's see what templates it pulls up for us. Lots of different choices here, everything from a recipe card to a resume, songwriting, newsletter, student report. All of these would be very helpful where you don't have to create the form. You can just use what was already made. So let's look at this recipe template. Let's say that my Accelerate English 3 kids every once in a while will make Lane Cakes, which is a cake that's featured in To Kill a Mockingbird, and then they want that recipe. So I could use this recipe format to type it in and share it with them. So let's say that I did that. And then to share this, let's say that I decided I wanted to publish it to the web, that I put some pictures out there of them making it, and I want to include it on our website. So to publish a doc to the web, all you need to do is go to File, and you can do Share, and then it's going to give you the option up here, a shareable link. So we're going to click on that, and it's going to pull up our shareable link here. Now, we're going to leave it as can view because we just want people to view it, but we want to actually go to more down here because we want to make sure that we get it public on the web. So we're going to click public on the web up there, and then we're going to save this. So now anybody that's on the web can see this from this link, and we would just copy this link and paste it onto our website. Now I'm going to pull up for you a document so that you can see some things about some of the cool features that you can use with Researcher and revision history and comments. So let me pull up this document here. And the first thing I want to show you is Researcher. So let's say that you needed more information. This is a evaluation of a lesson plan that I did. Let's say I decided I wanted more information on the Cask of Amontillado, which is listed right here. It's a short story that we did. So I would go to Tools, and I would do Research, and I highlighted it so you can see it popped it up in that window over there, and now it's researching the concept of the Cask of Amontillado for me. And you can see here all the different results. So it's real nice. You don't have to leave your document to do research, that you can add information. The other features that you have in here are also if you wanted to see my revision history. Let's say that you wanted to see the different changes that I've made to this document, or you wanted to see how a student had been working on the document. Well, you can see that I uploaded this here, and I made these revision changes at 7:40. So you can see exactly how long I've been working on it. You can click on the different, that's what it looked like if I want to restore to that version, or here's my revision history at 7:45. So you can see the changes that I made. You can see here that I decided to use describe instead of analyze. So you can check up on your students and see how they're doing. You can also show a more detailed revision history. You can see the individual ones there. Another nice feature for teachers to use is the editing feature. So up here you're going to click on editing, and your choices are edit the document directly, which is typically what you would do if you're working on your own document, or suggest editing. For example, if your students are both editing, they could use this feature to just suggest changes, but they don't actually make the changes. The writer has the final say. So you click here, and let's say that I decided down here, instead of using the word describe, I thought that they should use analyze. So now you can see that it's crossed out the word describe and put in analyze for me, and they can see that there. Okay, I'm going to show you one other feature that teachers can use are comments. So if you want to comment on something, you can just highlight the text. And then you can click comment over here. And you can see there's our one comment where we thought we should replace describe with analyze. And then over here, we can also write down a comment that says this should be used in 10th grade, not 9th. Okay, and so then they're going to be able to see that, and they can actually reply to me right there as to what they decide to do with that comment, which is a pretty handy feature to have. So these were just some good uses of the Google Docs, and I hope that you found this interesting and helpful.